Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Research articles are crucial for advancing knowledge, providing evidence-based insight, and facilitating innovation in various fields. They allow for dissemination and critical evaluation of new ideas and finding within the academic and professional communities. So, in this video, we will learn how to review and improve research writing. So, let's start. Okay, first of all, open any search engine you want, and open chatgpt. I'm not using the premium or the upgraded version of chatgpt. I'm simply using the free version. Okay. Now click on the file uploading icon, and choose your document. Want to review and improve. New, select your file and click open. Now the important thing is this prompt that you need to copy and use for your research articles and papers. That is, read the research article, carefully summarize its main point, identify its strengths and highlight and weakness, provide specific suggestions for improvement, and discuss the relevance and potential impact after research. Click on the search. And now wait for chatgpt to provide explanation to this prompt. So, the chatgpt has started generating the results. Now, you can see that it has provided with a summary of the points, that is the introduction, the challenges, and the opportunities, and the case studies and example beside this. And it has provided with the conclusion. So, this is overall theme of research paper. Now, what are the strengths of this research article? We can see over here that it has provided us with the strengths of the article, that is a comprehensive overview, use of case studies and current era dimension. What are weaknesses of this article? ChatGPT has suggested that the lack of quantitative analysis, limit global perspective, and insufficient focus on emerging technologies, and there are the improvements or suggestion, that is incorporate data and statistics, expand global coverage, etc. And that is in the end relevance and the potential impact here. So, you can see that with the help of this prompt, we can summarize our research papers, and we can ask ChatGPT to provide the suggestion or the improvement for our research article. I hope this method will help you to review and improve your research. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.